It's time. I'm breaking up with the house.
Wait, what, Mom? A house? I grew up here.
It's just too much now. 5 bedrooms for what? It's just me, your dad, and the vacuum.
But what about the memories?
These aren't memories. This is your 3rd grade macaroni art and 47 expired soy sauce packets. Listen to this. Hello?
Okay, yeah, that's actually terrifying.
I spend more time cleaning this house than actually living in it.
Okay, maybe this place is kind of ridiculous.
I love this house. I just don't need all of it anymore.
So what happens now?
Now we find something simpler, less stress, less cleaning, more time for what actually matters.
Welcome to my downsize era. Less house, more life.
If your house is starting to feel more like work than home, it might be time for your downsize era too.
Book a free downsizing consultation with me because nobody needs to vacuum 3,400 square feet just to use one bathroom.